guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So, let me explain what's happening. We're going to do another spinner video today. So, I have my canvas on a Lazy Susan, and I get asked this a lot, but there's just nails holding it at least mostly in place. I am reusing a canvas because, as you can see, this canvas came out very, very dark, so I'm reusing it. Also, though, I thought it would be fun to pour over this styrofoam piece that I got and then spin it. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to take the star off before spinning it or leave it on. I do have a little piece of tape holding it in place, and as you can see also here, I have a toothpick so that I can just pull it off hopefully easily. Now I'm using a little bit of leftover paint in here, and half the paints that I'm using are glow in the dark, so that should be fun. And we're going to use primarily warm colors. But the glow-in-the-dark paint that I have is green, yellow, orange, and pink, I think. And then I am putting in the other colors as well to offset it so that it's not all glow-in-the-dark. All right. And I have this in a box to contain the splatter. I'm gonna throw some gold in here also. And as soon as I am done pouring this, we will look at it in the dark and see how that looks. Okay. I think go in here with a little bit of regular white. And I feel like that should be enough. Okay. I actually throw just a little more red in there. All right. So I'm going to start by, like I said, pouring over that star. And I have no idea if any of this is like centered or anything. We really won't find out until I start spinning. But here we go. Hopefully the star stays in place. There we go. So far, so good. Just figured it would give it something a little extra, like doing a bottle bottom pour or a Wreck-It ring. Recco ring? No. I said Wreck-It ring like Wreck-It Ralph. Ooh. Those are gorgeous colors. Okay. I think I'm going to try to go ahead and just leave the star there as I spin. If you get dizzy, you might want to skip this part of the video and go to the end. Cool. That is awesome. I'm just going to leave it at that one spin. Go ahead and take this off. That is so friggin' cool. So there's a little corner over here that I didn't quite get, and I'll just touch it up here. Yeah, I put plenty of paint on there, so it covered the canvas beautifully. No tilting required. Maintained all the shapes and lines. Oh my goodness, this is so awesome, and I can't wait to see it in the dark. Okay, let's take a look at it in the dark. I am going to go ahead and put a black light on this because that'll go through the camera easier. You'll be able to see it. Also because this hasn't really been charged, the paint, I mean. Here we go. That is so cool. Let's go ahead and do a quick close-up in the dark. All right, so you can see obviously the reflection from the black light there, but this is so friggin' cool. This is definitely gonna go into my list of top favorites. So I'm gonna put the camera back and then we'll also see real quick how it looks in the dark. Okay, here we go. And like I said, it usually doesn't translate over into the camera, but let's try. Nice. See, in the camera, it appears that it is completely fading, but it's not. It's actually still very visible. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights back on, and then we'll do a close-up in the light, and then we'll wrap it up. So I honestly could not be more happy with this piece. The colors, the lines, just friggin' gorgeous. And then it glows in the dark. So how cool is that? I think it was just the right amount of black. The black just kind of accents it beautifully. Oh my gosh, I am so in love. Okay guys, well I really hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. And I will see you all next time.